Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anmol, and today's vlog gonna be mainly for September intake students. As there are a lot of people who are coming in September due to PSW, and in today's vlog I'm gonna talk about two things. So first is what kind of part-time job opportunities you can get here, and second things, what kind of exposure and opportunities you can get that will add to your experience of studying abroad, or your experience when you'll be applying for the jobs in future. So let's begin. Let's talk about the opportunities and exposure you will get here as an international student. Obviously, everyone's journey is gonna be unique, and it totally depends on you how you want it to be. But I'm gonna share my experience, like what are the things I got the exposure of, and yeah, so let's start. Okay, so first thing is, when you come abroad, you come with this mindset that you will make a lot of international friends, and you have this opportunity here. But it's not easy, because obviously when you come, so it's not that you know anyone here. So there are ways to do that. For example, there are a lot of cultural events and there are a lot of global events in every university here. So try to register in those events, and you will meet a lot of people from different culture, and yeah. So in my university, there's something called Global Lounge, and they have cultural workshops time to time there. So they conduct a lot of events like Japanese cultural workshop, Korean workshops. They have like cultural and diversity workshop, and these are the few I have attended. And yeah, there are a lot more. So you try going there, and you will meet a lot of people who have come for the same event, and then you get to interact. The plus point is you will be able to make friends not only from your particular course, but you will have like excess of friends, or you will have a lot of knowledge of other courses as well. For example, like I have friends here from fashion, from psychology, from law. So yeah, and it's a brilliant opportunity to build the network, so use it. The second way is, there are a lot of societies in your university. In every university, they have a lot of societies, and those societies are run mainly by students. So you will have two advantages of joining one of those societies. A, whatever your hobby is, you will get have the chance to embrace it and learn about it more. For example, if you're interested in travel, or if you're interested in music or dance, you can join any of these society. Second, most of these societies are run by students only, so you will have a lot of work opportunities to work there. So you can also apply for the internal work positions which are available. And because what happens is, because initially when we come, we don't know about these things, and these opportunities get full very soon. And because when I was coming here, I didn't know about this, and I got to know about it eventually. But yeah, if you're watching this, I really want you to make sure that you use those opportunities, because it's gonna give you good learning and exposure. So yeah. So second thing is, when you will come here, the way your exams have been, the way you have taught in your country will be very different here. And this will also give you the opportunity to develop so many skills that will help you in future, and that can add to your resume. For example, academic writing, which is really very important, and you will have to learn it, because here most of your assignments will be like research essay or dissertation or citation work, which are the new terms for you maybe right now, but you will learn them eventually. And these skills will help you, to do, like to write better, and it will add to your resume. The second thing is research skills, because here, when it comes to assignment submission, there are very strict rules when it comes to plagiarism. So you can't just copy the content from any website and you can paste it in your assignment. You will have to give valid credentials to the people, and you will have to read them, and you will have to acknowledge their work. And yeah, so you will learn to do perform a research in a very professional manner. And if you're applying for a PhD course for in future, or any kind of research oriented job, that will help you a lot. Because you will learn learn about a lot of resources and lot of databases. And yeah, and you'll have to do a lot of reading as well, so be ready for it. The third thing is there are a lot of internal work opportunities within your campus. So when I arrived, I came in January and the campuses were closed that time. So I didn't had that many work opportunity. But now it's really good here, because there are a lot of events going on, there are a lot of things going on, and they need people to host those events, or to conduct those events. So you will find a lot of opportunities within your universities. For example, you can be a student ambassador for your universities, and you can help them with upcoming admission process, uh, providing tours of campuses, on facilities, solving student queries, and there are a lot of rules. So yeah, try applying to that. It will help you in two way, because you will be dealing with British students, so it will help you to develop your communication skills better. And second, because you are working within a university, you will get to meet a lot of people from different courses and different backgrounds again, and it will help you to uh, expand your network. And third, actually, the most important thing is, you will be get paid for those opportunities, and it will add to your resume, and it will certainly give you some confidence. And the good thing is, if you have done one assignment nicely, they will hire you for more assignments. So when I started, I just did one assignment where my job was to providing tools for my particular facility, which is journalism. And then eventually I got the campus tours, where I had to provide tours for like the whole campus to upcoming students. Then there's something called call advisors, where you have to help students with the application process. So I work there as well. So you will get a lot of opportunities. And yeah, and they have a lot of graduate schemes as well. So once you're graduated, if you're good at it, and if you think you want to work within the uni, doesn't matter which area it is, so yeah, you can apply for those jobs. They will consider you because also you have the experience of working with them before. So try exploring them. There are dedicated portals and websites, and you will get the listing of the jobs they have on the university website as well. So please keep a check on the university website, because they upload a lot of things there. So yeah. Uh, so when it comes to part-time opportunities, there are many ways actually, and there are many kind of opportunities available, but you will have to decide it based on your financial need. So for example, there are students who are not taking any money from their home, which is brilliant. And in that case, they need a permanent source where a well-paid part-time job, so that they can manage their food and expenses and rent here. So there are a lot of jobs, like there are a lot of warehouses jobs, which pays good decent amount of money, and they are stable as well, because they have like minimum 6 months contract or something which you'll have to sign, and you can do those jobs. But again, they are little bit physically consuming. There are a lot of care center jobs which you can do. Uh, there are a lot of admin jobs as well. Like not many students know about it, because I got the opportunity to work in one of the admin job, but due to travel distance and personal reasons, I couldn't continue to that job. But it was a good opportunity. It was a well-paid job, and again, admin experience helps you in many ways, because you will have the chance to interact with people, so that you can work on your communication skills. and it will be added in your resume. So try to apply for like a retail job or a receptionist job or admin job. You can use lot many portals, like you can use LinkedIn job search, which is very popular here. You can use Indeed, Monster, and they have their local portals as well, which you can check out. So yeah, but you will have to decide your goal, that what kind of jobs you're looking for, and if you want to develop certain kind of experience from that, or if you want it to be good enough to just support you. So you'll have to decide your end goal and you'll have to work that way. Yeah. Another opportunity you get here is to learn, like, you will learn a lot of other courses as well, on which because you will have access of like a lot of online learning portal. In my case, we have the free access of LinkedIn Learning for a year, so you can learn lot about your particular technology or whatever the course you're doing, and you will have a lot of software training. So try to improve your software skills, like technical skills and presentation skills and communication skills, because these are gonna contribute to whenever you will applying for the permanent jobs. And one thing I've noticed here, like that's my experience, that here people count your efforts. So for example, wherever I have submitted my resume, so people have approached me because they have watched either my YouTube channel, or they have seen my photography page or something like that. So try to demonstrate whatever you're good at by using your practical work. And people takes a notice of that, and if they have like certain uh, position for those skills, they will consider you. So for example, when I did a admin job, so they needed Photoshop at that time. And no, not Photoshop, they needed Photoshop, because it was they used to do printing and stuff. And these I mentioned Adobe Premiere Pro, though it's slightly different, but it is related to editing only. So I mentioned it in my resume, and I mentioned that I edit my YouTube blogs using Adobe Premiere Pro, and I have the hands-on of Adobe Photoshop as well. So they considered it, and yeah, that way I can give you more example of like that. And I'm not so yeah, try to build a portfolio of the work whatever you have done previously, or if you are doing currently. So try to have try to create a blog. And if you're interested in like photography and stuff, you can always have an Instagram or Facebook page where you can post your stuff and your work. And there are a lot many ways. So try to build a portfolio, so that whenever you will submit your resume and your cover letter, along with that you will have your portfolio to submit, or you can just mention the links in the resume itself. And yeah, people will probably take a look of that, and if they may ask you, at least they will consider you for the next stage. So it's really important to do the practical work, because here they give the importance to your efforts. So yeah, that's the one thing I really wanted to share. So yeah, that's all I had to share, and that's totally was my experience. And I shared everything, like the way things have been for me. It may change for other people, so always cross verify whatever you have been told. And yeah, if you have liked this video, please like, comment and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. Bye.